Welcome to our 210 project. As you can see here, we decided to do Tic Tac Toe. So right now the XPs are being configured for the addresses, which we have hard-coded into the boards. Now you see our splash screen going across the screen that says Tic Tac Toe, a little fancy feature we added there. Now the grid is displayed on this one, and this light that goes between green and blue is signifying that this board is waiting for a signal, which means that it's this board's turn. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter the row by the column. So row by column, and each push button, 1, 2, 3, represents what row and what column. So let's say you want to enter 1, 1. We're going to do push button 1, push button 1, and that's going to enter a character in your specified location. Now, let's go over to this board. This board shows that it's been received. Yes, the other board made a move. So now we're going to counter that, and we're going to go right next to them. We're going to go 1, 2. So that light, the red light, signified that the signal was coded and sent to the other board, and the green light signified that there had been user input. So that's just showing you that the board is receiving your input and doing something with it. Now again, it's this one's turn. So we're going to let O win here. So we're going to go 2, 1. This board received it, so now we're going to go, let's say 1, 3. Now it's this board's turn again, so we're going to do the final move here. And the round was won. So as you can see here, the score is displayed on the LED bar. There's one score, and how we have it set up is to go up to 5 rounds. So after this one would get to 5, the game would basically be won by this board, and this board would be the loser. So let's do a tie now and show what happens for that. Alrighty, so these boards are set up for a tie. So the final move is obviously going to be right here. So we're going to do row 3, column 2, and the boards both say tie. So this board had won already. The score was not incremented because they tied, so neither score was incremented. Okay, so right here this board has just went, and now it's this board's turn to go. So let's just say by mistake they enter 1, 1 where that one already is. So 1, 1. The LED flashed red, signifying that that's not a valid move because there's already a character there, so you're going to have to do something else. So we're going to go 1, 2, and it was a shorter red LED, so that move was sent over to this board, and this one's now waiting for a signal. So here you can see a special case where both boards are signifying that they're waiting for a signal. This board went first, and you can see the character already entered on that screen. So what do? Well, we coded something in where you can press push button 3 to resend the signal. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold push button 3, and it resent the signal. So now it's this board's turn, and the character that we previously entered was received now. So as you can see, this board's about to win, so let's enter the final move. So they both displayed a message. That one said you are a tic-tac-toe master, and this one said you are a tic-tac-toe loser. This board had 5 LEDs, so now they're resetting, so they can go for more rounds after this. And that is our project.